To the bonus zone, bro.
Oh shit.
Gee, have you left the spot today?
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Yo, what's going on, guys? We got a special guest here today. This is Braden Ross.
Hey, how are you guys? I'm a local entrepreneur as well. These guys are from Calgary. I'm from Calgary. I do anything in the entrepreneurial world online, but I deal with anybody that's like high ticket usually. So guys like Ty Lopez or Grant Cardone, these are large social influencers online. You know, check them out. They've got a large following, but these guys are also local, like I said. So
yeah. So he's like a heavy social influencer from Calgary. So we decided to have a sit down with him and just like bounce some ideas around and figure out ways we could grow the brand here. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, Braden.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll put his IG on the screen right here. Everybody toss him a follow. Super beautiful day out today. You can see Jesse's work on his sanding his bumper down. You got Devin out here as well, working on the Civic. Bumpers are both off, pretty much prepped for paint. Hey, Devin?
Yeah, dude.
Just put in some SI badging and stuff on. Got the Megan badges put onto his wing. It's looking good. Brandon's out here. Tell him about your window and stuff.
Window?
And how you almost like overpaid so much.
I did overpay.
You did pay?
Yeah,
you gonna
but I got a
return it?
refund.
Okay. Yeah, I guess you bought a window from Japan without even checking for windows here.
No, I did check for windows here. It was just impossible to find, right? And then I found one in Vancouver just today.
Nice. Shout outs to Duke. He's also sending
sending
us the ECU and harness hopefully soon, so we can get this thing back on the road. I actually kind of prefer the look of the OEM wheels on this thing. Finally, we'll get to drive this thing soon. Get this thing back on the road soon. And this thing we need to get rid of, so if anyone is interested like in S14 shell or S14 parts, send us a message. We're either parting it out or trying to get rid of the whole car. Devin's got like a trunk full of parts and stuff right now. This thing's gonna be going under the knife and getting like a major makeover here. The Civic glow up. Oh! Pop your trunk. Pop the trunk, bro.
The trunk, man.
Okay, well, you'll walk us through everything that we're gonna be doing on this.
Okay. So thinking of putting on a roof spoiler, so that's this piece right here.
That or this? Yeah, not that.
Yeah. I got all new rotors, drilled slotted rotors. I got OEM brake pads.
And pod filters.
New air intake filter.
Yeah, the 1 inch.
Yes.
1 inch size.
Perfect for the SI, man.
Honda things.
And
you guys know he's got coilovers.
Coilovers, camber arms. I got my K-Tune slave cylinder. Gonna help me with my shifting issues, hopefully.
Yeah, and we got a shipment of Whistler wheels coming fairly soon. Should be sometime next week. So we'll get tires sorted, get all the cars in there, tires, wheels installed, and get them looking fresh for the summer season. And a little side project I worked on the other day was completing the wide body on the car. So just like tying it all in together. That like little rear vent there just ties in with the side vent there, and gets me extra clearance for tires. To the bonus zone, bro.
Alright guys, so right now on my car, I got this Greddy Profec boost controller from Kenji. Shout out to Kenji, appreciate it. So I'm going to be running this, all the components are there, so just literally plug and play at this point. The spot that I'm thinking of mounting it is right here, nice and minty. So I'm going to put some 3M there on the top, mount it right here, and first half of it I'm just going to hook up power and ground, and then I'll have to run all of this through the firewall to the engine bay, hook it up to wastegate and the turbo, just vacuum here. It's pretty easy. So yeah, just going to go ahead and start doing this. Everyone's kind of working away at their own things today. So I just hooked up power and ground, And just turning the car on, or ignition at least. It works. I guess this unit also, forgot if I mentioned, it also reads boost, so it acts like a boost gauge too. And if you're over boosting, you could set this thing to turn the boost down. So if it sees a spike, it could go to a safe like parameter that you set it to, so that's always good. It'll keep things nice and safe. I'm pretty stoked about that. I'll probably install this another day because my feet are pretty cold in these sneakers. It's a nice day, but it's a little chilly. Right, Brandon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Talking about?
Stuff and things. Some Honda things going on. Honda gang. So right now, Devin is installing his rear window visor. As you can see, it's looking dope. The wing, it all ties in. Got those nice badges on. Colton showed up. What's up, bro?
What's up? Just did some LED taillights.
Right now?
Yeah, I just put them in.
Oh, nice. Like the side markers?
Got rid of the halogens. No, I put them in for my actual running lights.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
My brake lights and everything. So.
Nice. Shane's here too. Shane, how's it going, bro?
What's up, bro?
So, yo, what happened to the S15? The turbo blew on it when you were
Turbo blew up on the dyno. Fucking hit
Hey.
15 pounds and she calved.
Oh, really?
Like
it boost.
yeah.
Oh, how did that
I
happen?
got the new turbo in.
Yeah, yeah.
It's all good.
Is it just an OEM?
I just the stock. kit.
Stock, yeah.
It's all-
Dude, you should upgrade
It's
it.
all a broke hood rat guy can afford, bro. Seriously, come on, man.
Fair
I'm
enough,
trying to
fair
live.
enough.
I'm just trying to live it. Just trying to get the car done for the season so
Yeah.
I could, get to some car beats
Yeah.
and stuff.
A lot of people said they really like the S15.
Yeah, man. Next year I'll be doing big power upgrades.
3
Get it running,
S15s cruising.
Get it re-dynoed.
Yep.
Get it re-dynoed. And
What parts are you grabbing out of this thing?
Throttle cable.
Nice.
Mine's like
are you gonna run those
trying to
wheels?
shoot up.
Me? Yeah. Talking of our stone right
It
now.
looks really good. I
Yeah.
love those. Then we got Civic Nation.
Yeah, Civics over here.
Honda Nation.
Yeah. Throwing the banner on. Should you go a bit higher? Like here and then add another small one there? Like you could do a mined one there.
Yeah, too.
Holographic. Because I think that looks good like higher up.